Have you ever thought about how a city can kind of have a secret identity? We think we know a place, right, based on its reputation, its famous spots. But just like people, cities have layers. There's the face they show the world, and then there's a quieter, more personal side. Well, today we're looking at a city with two really distinct stories, Davanagere and Karnataka. So in this explainer, we're going to explore that dual nature, the buzzing industrial powerhouse it's famous for, and the serene, natural escape it's hiding in plain sight. Okay, so let's just dive right into this contrast. On one side, you have the Manchester of Karnataka. I mean, that name just screams industry, textiles, and business, right? But then on the other hand, you have the city's tranquil heart. That paints a completely different picture, one of peace, quiet, and nature. So how can a city be both of these things at once? Well, let's find out. First up, let's explore the identity that Davanagere is probably most famous for, its cultural circuit. This is the city of hustle, of heritage, and just a whole lot of energy. So, what's the deal with that nickname, Manchester? Well, a lot like its English namesake, Davanagere grew into this major hub for the textile industry. We're talking sprawling cotton mills and garment manufacturing, and really, this reputation for production and trade, it's defined the city for generations.
But, this cultural side is so much more than just factories. Yeah, it's got a thriving textile industry, for sure. But it also has this incredibly rich culinary heritage. It's the home of the world-famous bene dosa, that's butter dosa, and it is a crispy, golden, absolutely delicious thing you just have to try. It's a city of bustling urban landmarks, from busy clock towers to vibrant local markets. The whole place is just alive with this constant hum of activity.
That energetic, industrious image? Yeah, that's what most people know. But here's the thing. It is only one part of Davanagere's identity. There's this whole other, completely different side, just waiting to be discovered. So now, let's flip the script and explore that other side. Welcome to the natural circuit. You could call it the city's alter ego. This is where the pace just changes completely. This quote from our source material just captures the feeling perfectly. I mean, imagine stepping away from all that city noise and just entering a space where everything slows down. That is the other Davanagere. And the absolute heart of this natural circuit is Kunduvada Kere. It's this large, beautiful lake right on the edge of the city, kind of nestled between these rolling hills. It's really the main character in this second story. So instead of cotton mills and busy markets, the highlights here are these stunning sunrises and sunsets that just paint the water. It's a total haven for migratory birds, and it's a favorite spot where locals come to walk, jog, and just breathe. It's really become a powerful symbol of natural beauty for the whole region.
So we have these two completely opposite circuits, right? One of industry and one of nature. But the real magic, the real story, happens where they meet. Let's dig into how these two worlds blend together to make the city whole.
And see, this is the crucial point. Kunduvada Kere isn't just an escape from the city, it's an essential part of the city. It provides that balance, that quiet exhale that's needed to go along with the energetic inhale of its industrial life.
And you can really feel the difference in the experience. The cultural circuit, that's all about energy, industry, and some incredible flavor. But the natural circuit, that offers calm, a space for reflection, and just pure recreation. Both are absolutely vital to this city's soul.
What makes this place so special is that you don't actually have to leave the city behind to find that sense of peace. The urban landscape is right there. It serves as a backdrop, reminding you that this tranquility exists right alongside all the hustle. It's this beautiful blend of leisure and nature, right where the city breathes. And ultimately, this brings us to the main takeaway here. To really, truly understand Davanagere, you can't just know one side of it. The authentic experience, the real deal, comes from embracing both its dynamic hustle and its profound calm. That's where you find the city's true identity.
And that leaves us with a final thought. Pretty much every city has its own version of Kunduvada Kere. It might be a park, a riverfront, a quiet neighborhood where the rhythm just changes. So the question for you is, what or where is your city's tranquil heart?